Hello, my name is Maria and Silva, and I'm the owner of Bead Central, which is located in Selma, California. At Bead Central, we create, we repair, we fix jewelry. My husband and I purchased the store about almost 21 years ago, and a lot of people come usually with questions or problems that they have when it comes to jewelry making, designing, color combinations, or they just kind of want to get into other crafts. So they usually come to Bead Central. When I was growing up myself, I had some wonderful people that came into my life, and I learned things from them. And I think we need to also pass those good skills to the young people that are ahead. You need to have good communication skills with people. You learn the register, adding, which is sometimes some people can't add unless they use the computer. You label things, you organize things, which is, that's a skill that you learn, organizing things, whether it's by color, size, or whatever category. So you learn a lot of different things at the bead store besides customer service. You also learn how to do bead work or create. In my opinion, those that create make the place a better, because instead of destroying, we're creating. Well, I met Blanca about 4 or 5 years ago, and she approached me about getting somebody to help and to be trained at the bead store. And she also had certain requirements of what they needed to learn, or what, also scheduling and stuff like that. And I said, sure, I'll go ahead and take it. And she sent me a couple of people, over time, at least a good year or more. The Workforce Connection is a good program because it helps others get some type of a training. Because right now, sometimes even though you put your application, you almost need to have some type of work experience in dealing with the public. Some of them got to learn, working with the computer, the register, which some of them didn't know at all, so that you're able to work in another business, whether it's retail or wholesale. We do have the option of hiring them, but right now it's a small business. And eventually it will get to the point that I will be able to hire maybe 1 or 2 employees. I hope that they continue sending me students. Like I said, one thing about them is she came weekly to check up how things were going, the evaluations and everything. So what's nice about it is that we had good rapport. It's not, okay, here is a student, that's it. It was, okay, what did they learn? What did they do? Are you satisfied? Or do you have any problems? So that it's really good communication. That's what makes the program succeed. The people behind it, the ones that make it succeed. I would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award, especially Blanca and all the ones that have supported my business. Thank you so much.